Stop scrolling. It's time to earn fast and redeem even faster. Complete short tasks, answer quick surveys, watch brief videos, and invite friends to earn. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss money-making methods. Comment your country below for region-specific tips and tricks. Ready to turn your free time into real rewards? Let's dive in. Today, we'll show how to earn with BitOpinion. Quick tasks, surveys, videos, invites, and more. It's simple, fast, and yes, legit. Users really cash out rewards. Open the BitOpinion app. We'll walk through tasks and the instant redeem flow. Stick around for tips on stacking points, streak rewards, and surprise coupons. Method 1. Complete short tasks like app installs, signups, and quick micro tasks. Method 2. Answer short surveys. Most take under a few minutes. Method 3. Watch brief videos and earn points for every completed clip. Method 4. Invite friends and earn referral bonuses when they register. Method 5. Play casual games inside the app to score extra coins. Combine all these actions to stack points fast. Open daily to claim increasing streak rewards and surprise coupon codes that boost earnings. Regular small actions add up to meaningful cash outs. Here's the task list. Each task shows estimated time, points earned, and a clear call to action. Pick quick ones first to maximize earnings per minute. Tap a task, complete the microstep, and the points update instantly. Points stack in your wallet. Watch them accumulate as you finish tasks, surveys, or videos. The app shows your total and a breakdown for easy tracking. Use animated badges and streak meters to track daily progress and bonus multipliers. Surprise coupon codes appear in the Rewards tab. Claim them fast for extra points. Next, we'll walk the instant redeem process step by step. When you're ready to cash out, open Redeem. Choose a payout option like USDT, Dogecoin, or Solana. The interface shows minimums, fees, and instant processing details. Select your wallet address, confirm the amount, and tap Redeem. After confirming, the app runs a quick verification and sends crypto instantly to your wallet. We tested USDT, Dogecoin, and Solana. Transfers arrived within seconds. You'll see an instant redeem confirmation and a transaction ID you can copy. If you prefer mobile recharge or gift cards, pick that option and redeem immediately. Redemption history lists all past transfers with timestamps for transparency. BitOpinion supports instant cash out and transparent records, real rewards, real transfers. Is BitOpinion legit? Yes. Users receive verifiable transfers, visible payment options, and a clear history. Always check minimums and secure your wallet address. Pro tips: prioritize high points per minute tasks, complete surveys that match your profile for higher payouts, claim streak rewards daily, redeem surprise coupons quickly, and invite active friends to boost referrals. Keep your wallet address correct, enable app notifications for claim windows, and use in-app support if you run into issues. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications for new region-specific guides. Comment your country below for tailored tips and tell us which payout you use, USDT, Dogecoin, or Solana. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments, and check the end screen to subscribe or watch our playlist.